Alright, this is the tutorial for the grade 9 6-inch plaque, the locker plaque. We are just going to start by creating a new file. It is going to be a 6-inch wide, 6-inch high, 0.125 inches thick, and the XY0 is in the bottom corner. We'll just hit OK, and we will import our drawing. That there will be our drawing that we're going to use. As you can see, I have different colors. The orange would be the cutout. The blue layer would be the one that I have coded by hand to give me my 150 lines. And the pink layer would be the one that this program will be engraving. So first I want to turn my hand code layer off, and I'm going to turn the cutout layer off. Next step would be to select all of the lines that are on the screen, and I could either hit J on my keyboard or edit, join vectors, and I can see I have 27 vectors. I'm just going to join them, and you can see my hand code turned back on, so I'll just turn that off. And I want to do a quick engrave, so I'm just going to click over here to my toolpath, which is up here. I'm going to do a quick engrave. For this engrave, I will need a ball end nose, this one right here, and these here are the numbers. You can pause the video to set your screen up if you don't have this. I'll click OK. I'm just going to select the lines that I want in my operation, and I will hit calculate. And you can see by the arrows the direction of travel the tool will go in, and I can hit close. Next, I will turn the cutout on, cutout layer. I'm going to use a profile toolpath this time, which means that I would like to change my cut to depth all the way through material, 0.125. Again, I want to select that same ball nose end mill, and I will cut through, and I'm going to add some tabs to this. So I just hit edit tabs, saying I have nothing selected. I need to pick my outside line. It needs to know what to cut, and I am adding tabs to hold the cutout material to the clamped material. I can just hit close, and then I will hit calculate. At this point, I can see what I am going to get. If I select everything, I should be able to hit my engrave tool and see what I can get. At this point, we want to save the toolpath. We want to pick out of this long list, Mach 2/3 arcs inch. We will hit select our toolpath and save the toolpath. First, you save it to your M drive, and then after that, you can save it to the Lexar. Which is the thumb drive. Once we do that, then we take it over to the machine, plug it in, and off it goes.